Kia ora friends, hi, it's Gwendoline here, hijacking Markie's channel once more. I hope you guys are all well. I wanted to quickly say hi to you and with a small announcement and a question for you, okay? So the announcement part is just to let you know that we are in the process of writing a book for people who are struggling with RJ. And we have a working title, so do you want to know what it is? Come here. Shh, don't tell. Demystifying Retroactive Jealousy. How about that? So it's in process, guys. This could take a while. As you know, we're both kind of fully booked psychotherapists. We're working all the time. I'm actually also a yoga teacher. I'm mostly doing psychotherapy work at the moment though. So everything else like writing and stuff is done in between seeing patients and clients. But the question I have for you is there anything, any burning difficulty that you have that you would like us to cover in the book? What's your pain point? What do you struggle with the most with RJ? Because we obviously have really clear ideas about this as clinicians working in this field, where there are so few of us, right? But we really want to hear from you, and we really value your input and your thoughts about what you would like us to cover. So yeah, have a think about that and let us know, okay? Okay, I look forward to speaking to you again soon, guys. You take care. Bye-bye.